So hello everybody, I'm Bob, this is Christy, Bob. We're excited that you are here with us today. We have some very special announcements for you that I know many of you have been waiting for, if not all of you, but we have something super exciting we wanted to share with you first. So sit back, enjoy this, because what we're introducing to you right now is the
Talk Fusion
Fusion
Portal, guys.
Portal. Now, this is something that we are very, very proud of. As everybody knows, we code everything ourselves. We have our own IT teams that we've worked together for a very long time. We are an email marketing company. We are a video email marketing company. We are a tech company. So we are very proud that we code everything from scratch ourselves. So I think what we're about to walk through, I think all of you will agree with us. This is the best, most powerful from a technology perspective portal, and it puts the business at your fingertips. And the best thing of all, too, is what you're looking at, what we're about to show you, will also be what your mobile app will look like. They parallel each other, right? So with that being said, you ready?
We are
All
ready.
right.
You guys ready to see this?
This is super exciting.
All right, guys. So take a look at this screen. So we just wanted to show you, each person is going to choose their own username. So you don't need to be tied to one email address. Those days are gone. That is all so old. So you pick out your username, choose your password.
Tutorial's over. Thank you, everybody. No, I'm just playing with you. So go ahead. So go ahead.
So super simple. We keep it for you guys. If you forgot your password, at one click, put in your email, your username, your member ID, we'll send it right to you. One click is logging in right here, and boom, look at this. So guys, we call this your dashboard. This is everything that you need at one glance. You don't need to go hunting through pages, all these documents, all this stuff. No, this is super clean, so simple, sexy, and just easy to understand.
Very sexy.
Yes, it is. So here we have the welcome banner welcoming you. Over here we have your Facebook, we have Twitter, we have Instagram, we have everything. At one click, you can stay connected because we love sharing all this information with you guys every single day. And what's really cool here, we put an activity feed. So what that is, in real time, if somebody like here, look, Peter has joined your team. Bailey has joined your team. You earn the rank of star. You earn a team commission of $50. So this will update in real time your business as a real feed.
Now, how exciting is this? Most companies, what they do is they batch process commissions. So you don't get things in real time. We're the only company in the world that pays commissions in 1 minute. So everything when we say is real time, we mean it. It's real time. Also, too, this will be tandem with your mobile app, because one of the great features on the mobile app is when you earn a commission, it will go cha-ching. So the activity feed is incredible. It's color coded to help you be able to follow along.
Absolutely. So as you can see, scrolls down, it date and time stamps it for you so you can check it out at a high level glance. Moving down, you guys have been doing an amazing job with these live Zoom events all around the world. So as you can see, we have our English displayed right here. This link, when you click it, it's going to take you right to your Zoom room. There's no copy paste. We got this right there for you. Super simple. All the times and dates are right here.
Yeah. What about people all around the world?
Let's talk about that. Yep. So not just English, we have Spanish, we have French, we have people in India, Thai people, and Vietnamese people. So we are going to go, let's click on Team India. You are going to see all as well, the links here, the times when they're doing the opportunity presentation, as well as our fast track training. So this is every little thing that you need. There's not a whole ton of pages where you have to scroll through again, one click of the button. Let's Team France right here, boom.
And just so you know, there will be more languages added in here before we launch for sure, but you'll see it right here in real time. So yeah, friends all over the world, they speak a different language. Go check it out. They'll have the presentations going.
So moving down here, we put two links that are very helpful for you guys. The first one's a self-replicated website. So you guys know and love our talkfusion.com website. So for free, of course, we're not going to charge you. We give you your own self-replicated website. So what that is is a link to the website exactly as you see it. But when you click join, your ID is filled in right there. So people don't have to ask for an ID. Where do we have to go? Go to support or anything. It's right there. So you could send them that.
Now, you said it's free for today, right? No, I'm just playing with you. I'm just playing with you. Okay.
And then the next one down is the sponsorship link. So you could send, if people don't have any other questions, they're ready to roll. They saw the video email they want in right now. Send them that link. It'll join right away. And then moving down, we have our qualifications. Are you active? Are you qualified? What's your personal sales volume and when you join? So you could see that all at a quick glance here. Moving over, you can see your commissions. So what have you earned for the current month? And what have you earned year to date? So that's a good little snapshot. It's very helpful. And this section is called My Ranks. This is so cool, guys. So this will show you exactly where you're at in the business. How many cycles do you need to hit the next rank? It's a great motivational tool. You know, I have 27 out of 30 of the cycles that I've hit. So I just got a couple more until I hit that next rank. So you'll see that this is where your rank is at 1 star and your next rank would be 2 star. But what's even cooler, guys, I know you guys have seen all the exciting updates that we put in the core group about the rank pins and welcoming you. So if you click right here, it says
Check this out.
View rank pin. Boom. So you will go. So this is in real time as you go. You don't have to wait for somebody to make this for you. You don't have to do it yourself. We do it for you. It'll display right here. You can see the 1 star pin, and then this will be your profile picture. This could be anything. This is just the default. So whatever picture you choose to be in your profile, this will be your name and then the country that you signed up with. So if you were to click this button, the download button, it would download right to your device. If you're on desktop, tablet, mobile, however you do it. And that way you can text it to your friends. You can upload to social media. You could send in WhatsApp and everybody can celebrate your success because that is what it's all about. So we are super excited about that. That was so fun. So this again is your dashboard. So every little thing that you need at a glance right there, boom. So moving down, if you guys see all the little categories here, you can see who are your promoters with 1 click. You could see every single promoter, and of course you can filter by date and name if you want to look for, okay, I'm looking for Miss Bailey. She just joined my team. I'm going to go through. Okay, here she is. She joined my team. I'm going to send her an email. Her email address is right there. What country she signed up in.
Those are for your personally sponsored promoters.
Of course. And then you will be able to send her a nice video email. Welcome to the team. Checking up on her. You have all of that right at your fingertips. So we duplicated that not just for your promoters, but for your customers as well. Again, you could search by their name, their email address, and we put all of this right there so you can be in touch with your team. So moving down, we have our genealogy page, guys. This page is so cool. It's super interactive. As you can see, I am zooming out in real time. The tree is scaling and it shows my entire organization. So from there, if I want to look over and see who's on this side of my tree, you can easily do that just with a quick scroll. What's really neat, I can move it over. I can search by name. I could search by their ID, their email address. Anything and everything is right here. So as you can see, and if I want to, we will move over and talk about binary placement options. I can go to the left of the tree, the right of the tree.
The left is the bottom left. The right is the bottom right.
Bottom left. Here's your bottom right.
And auto would be the leg which has the least amount of volume. And if you forget the definitions, if you click, there's right there, it'll provide the explanations.
So what Bob is talking about, here's your binary placement options. So when you sign up, it'll default to auto right here. You can choose to, when people sign up via that link I was talking about, it'll automatically place them based upon these settings. So either left, right, or auto. And if you guys forget, which we put right here, this little bubble, here's the term for left placement, here's right placement, and here's auto settings. So again, when we were designing this portal, we made it super high tech, but so easy for you guys. Like just anything and everything we thought about. We took our time and we really poured our hearts into this. So it shows. And we put all these settings right here for you. So you can look, okay, I'm going to click on Miss Yvonne. Okay, this is her sponsor. Here's her sponsor's name. This she joined. Is she active? Yeah, she's qualified. Here's her leg counts, her volume. So you can see exactly how she's doing, check in on her exactly in real time. So this is a super, super fun feature. So and we were talking about placement. And if you want to place somebody specifically, not based upon your binary placement settings, you simply click one of these purple positions. We made it highlighted so you could see it easily. Click it, and here you'll see who's the sponsor, even their sponsor's name. So there's no confusion at all whatsoever. Here's the link. So, and if you needed to change the sponsor, you could type in any number right here and then click verify. And what that tool does, it automatically scales the entire tree and makes sure that this is a correct sponsor. It's not cross-line anything. So it takes the guesswork out of it for you. It's so super cool and really easy to use.
So a lot of people ask the question, can you put somebody into a specific spot? And unequivocally, the answer is yes. So this is how you do it. It's simple, point, click. You can find it. We even made it purple, so it's easy for you. So it's a great tool, great look, great ease of use.
So then from there, you just click on this link, boop, copied. Then you'd open where you have it in your browser and just click paste. Or if you are not personally signing them up, you can text this link. You could send it anywhere. So they will know once they sign up, they choose their package, they put in their credit card information, it will perfectly place them exactly where you want them to go. No guesswork whatsoever. So this has been such a fun page and super easy. That's what we made a huge emphasis on. So moving down, we have our commission history page. And what's cool about this is not that just that it's in real time. You can see on our right-hand side, we've created this categories: fast start, team commissions, mega matching, leadership pool, and rank advancement. So you can see for that week, and of course we default it to the current week that we are in. So you can go up there. It's easy as picking out a hotel room where you choose a date range where you can see exactly what day or what 2 days, just so you can see a snapshot of exactly what you're trying to find. And then, of course, again, being totally transparent, we put the definition of commission week up there. So it begins Monday, 12 a.m. UTC and ends Sunday, 11:59 UTC. So we took all the guesswork out of that for you guys.
UTC is universal time, right?
Mhm.
So again, global company
business, yes.
doing business all over the world. It's a standard in programming. So it's midnight UTC time, please. Please remember.
Correct. So of course we have that. And then if you want to see your commission summary by year, you could see every single thing that you did that entire year at a quick glance. From here, if you want to filter through to see how many fast starts you earned, and not just how many you earned, but from whom you earned them. So if you see all of the IDs that you earned a fast start, $200 fast start here, a $50 fast start, a $100 fast start, you will see all those at just one click of the button. So again, super easy, super sexy, and so much fun. And then if you go through, the volume history shares the same characteristics of this. You can see every time that you made a sale. And we broke it down on your left side and your right side. So you can see exactly, trace it all the way up when you're making the sale, when you're cycling the volume, and what your volume is on the side.
And please remember, you collect sales volume as long as you are active. So please make sure that you maintain your active status.
And what is really neat, so not just for the cycles, but the volume, sorry, we put the number of cycles here, taking the guesswork. You don't have to divide, you don't have to multiply, you don't have to figure anything out. We put it right here. So you know that you've cycled 27 times. Easy to check on your rank, every single thing in real time, super exciting. So from here, we have our rank history report. You can again go through up top and choose a specific date frame and see how many ranks that you've hit in that time. It's super exciting and super motivational to see that. But it's not just about you, it's about your team too. See, we put in there your personally sponsored rank history. So right here, you'll see an example, Yvonne. So she went bronze and silver. You can see exactly on the times that she hit it. Wow, she did it in one day. Oh my gosh. So you can put her email right here. Send her a great video email. Yvonne, like, congratulations. You hit a whole new rank in one day. You're doing great. Awesome. Congratulations. So super fun, super easy. And we are going to go down to our resources page. So we've shared some of these FAQs with you guys in the core group as well. So these are general FAQs. Then we go down, we have products, so discounts available. Of course, we have discounts from here. How do I do this? How do I set up my Paylution e-wallet? A lot of great questions that we've gotten into support, and some just frequently asked questions that will be helpful for you guys.
And we try to do our best to cover the most frequently asked questions and put them in the portal so that you can see them in advance. Also, something else which is very important, this back office, it will be in 12 languages, 12.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just showing you obviously the English version, but if you're in Vietnam, we got you covered. Thailand, we got you covered. If you speak Spanish, got you covered. French, you can go on out. You speak Korean, got you covered. So it'll all there. And I'm not just talking about just the FAQs, but I mean everything back here.
Every single
Professionally
thing.
translated.
Yes. So all the languages that we offer for our websites and our templates, we are offering you guys in the portal, as well as our free mobile app as well. And then from here, we have our videos.
I love this section.
This is so cool, guys. So you could see all the languages easily. So you have somebody in Russia who's about to join the team. You could, boom, click this. You could send it to them, download it. And then from there, we didn't just make a whole page of all these videos, hard to find. You click right up here, this drop down. It's the goodbye email. Here's the CISO video. Here's the why video. And it's the same format for each. Super simple, super easy to use. And it's so clean. No hunting, no digging, nothing. So we took that same style for all the documents that we have, guys. So all the languages, 13, including English, and we put them all right here. So it shares the same. Here's for the compensation plan. We have the fast track guide, opportunity presentation, speaker notes, and of course the policies and the terms of service. So everything is right here. You could download it. You could share it with just a click of the button. So easy to use. And then from there, we have our swag store. So from there, you can just click one button, guys. You don't have to hunt through and anything. And you could find business cards, window decals, banners, apparel, accessories, everything Talk Fusion that will help you boost your business and get people asking, what's Talk Fusion? So from there, we have our settings, which is super simple. A lot of people ask, like, how do you contact us? Do we email in? In our portal, we made a one button. From here, you can send us, just type in the message and click submit, and it'll send it directly to us with your email address. Takes the guesswork out of everything. And of course, we are here to help you every step of the way. And from here, we have some of our super simple. You can either enter a company name, like a nickname, whichever your name you want to display. You can change either your email, any of that, change your password. And from here, we have our subscription. So this is your monthly subscription, which you can upgrade at any time. And as well, you can upload your picture for your portal. So that is pretty much all there is to it. Is
that it?
So involved. It's so involved, but it's so simple, guys. And that's what our key was, to make this easy for anybody, somebody who's a pro or somebody who's just learning. So that was our goal, and we are so excited for you guys.
Yeah,
to have
very
this.
good job.
Yes, we're
very good job. Great job, IT. Great job, Christy. Great job, Jeannie. Great job, all admin support. Everybody who's involved in this.
This has been a labor of love, guys. As you can see, when we do something, we do it. We don't just. Our standard is so much higher than that, and I'll let Bob talk more about it. But we really care. You know, this is not just your reputation. This is ours. And we
one family,
something 100%.
We want you to be very proud of it. And I can tell from all the comments that are, my phone, I had to turn down because it was going off like a machine gun. People are so excited. The best in the industry, the core group on WhatsApp is chiming out. So Tremendous. So we're glad that everybody loves it. Now let's move on to this. Okay. Let's talk about this launch updates. Let's talk about this for a second. I was talking to somebody yesterday, and this is very important. And they said, Bob, I heard last week and the week before that we were launching. I said, well, where did you hear that from? They said, I don't remember. So please let me say this. The company has never, ever, myself, Christy, anybody, official positions in the company, has never given anybody since the start of time an official launch date. So what I want to be very clear, it's so important that you get the right message, the transparent message from the right source.
Yes.
The right source is us. So please make sure that you tune in to these Zooms, as well as also we have on WhatsApp, we have a core group where we put a lot of updates, official corporate updates, and we share videos and things that we're doing. And it also too gives everybody an opportunity because, as I shared before, culture. We have a wonderful one family culture here. So people all around the world share their appreciation and their excitement. And we so appreciate it because number one, it makes us more excited than ever. And that's a hard standard to reach. But I also take all of the kind words and I share them with the entire Top Fusion corporate team so they can feel the love and the excitement because they are working hard. They've given up weekends since January. They are working overtime. They have toothpicks in their eyes. I mean, so everybody is really doing a great job on that. And something else too, I actually take these and I share them with my kids. It's important. It's important. So they can see the value of hard work and the sacrifice and what really people think to lead by example. So number one, no launch date was ever given. Two, please make sure to tune in for official launch dates. Number three, this is important. The company was waiting for, because there's so many leaders all over the world joining us, we're waiting for the leadership to get the genealogy structure correct. They have done that. So fantastic job to them, everybody, because you're dealing with masses of humanity from around the world. We just received the final checkoff on that. So we are very proud to say starting Monday, June 2nd, which is just this Monday, a couple days, we are going to start inputting the leadership into the tree. So what that means is this. If you have submitted a leadership application, please make pre-launch. Please make sure that your credit card is ready, that you have adequate room on it. Because when we build the tree, we have to build it from the top down, side to side, kind of like a top typewriter, correct? And if we go to put you in and your credit card is not accepted, then you will not be able to collect sales volume.
Right.
So please keep that in mind. I'm giving everybody as much notice as we can to make sure that you have everything ready to go. So phase one for us will start on Monday, June 2nd. That's the first wave. Right behind that, the leadership also has a ton of applications in pre-launch, which I call phase two. They are getting those to us. They're orchestrating them now. They will get them to us while we're doing the phase one applications. After that, there's nothing else for us to do but a little bit more testing, which we're doing at the same time as all this is going on. So the question exactly is when. And the answer, the honest answer and the transparent answer is until I see the other applications and how good the data is on them, because sometimes people made a boo-boo and they left out a field, they left out a credit card number. So until admin can get in and start keying them, I cannot pinpoint an exact day for you right now. It will not be too much longer. That I'm confident in telling you. But until I get them and start keying, meaning the companies start getting them and keying them in, once I have that, I'll be able to zero in on a better date for you. Okay. So between now and next Thursday, and we have
So our next broadcast, we are going to meet with you guys in 1 week exactly. So it is the June 5th at 11 a.m. Eastern.
Okay, so just hold on. So June 5th will be the next broadcast, which is 1 week from today.
Mhm.
I'll be able to give you an update then because we'll have a full week almost of starting to input the app. So it'll give me a better idea of the time. So, and again, more than I can stress, please make sure that you get on the Zoom as well as the official announcement groups so you can get all the information right from the source at the same time. Because this, I hope, and I know my phone's still going crazy, that you see after looking at the portal and the level of professionalism which has gone into the portal, that average does not work for us at Talk Fusion. It does not. If if you really want to be the best, and we do, and we will be, average does not work in any area of your life. I will promise you this. Anything that you only give an average amount of attention and time to will begin to subside, and then eventually it ceases to exist. That is a fact. So people in companies that dominate are those that approach everything with the mindset that average is just not good enough. Let me say that again. Average is just not good enough. To be number one, and nobody celebrates second place. Really, you forget about second place. To be number one, your mindset, your commitment, your culture, your teamwork, your sacrifice, your consistency has to be more than average.
Mhm.
So please make sure you put it on your calendar. 1 week from today, June 5th, where I will give you the next phase updates.
Mhm.
In the meantime, I'm going to be debuting something else brand new for you on that date, something you'll see because we are using this time to make sure that the field is totally up to speed on everything so that when we launch, you can go. You can start earning instead of learning.
Yes, absolutely. So we're using this time, this critical time, guys. And like we said, we are keeping you updated every step of the way. That's why we're having this next Zoom in just 1 week. We will give you the most updates. Hear it from us first. We love sharing every little detail with you guys in the core group on these Zooms. There, it's critical to get in here and hear it from us. So
let me just read a couple of comments to you that I'm getting. Incredible. Somebody else said the back office is amazing. This is so good. Great work behind it. Thank you, Bob and Christy. Someone said this is so clean and sexy. First class all the way. Thank you, Bob and Christy, for giving us an opportunity of a lifetime. Somebody else said very simple and efficient, the way it's meant to be. Somebody said the best I've ever seen. So amazing. We're so ready. World class always.
Mhm.
The activity feed is clean. Somebody just messaged me directly. This is fire. Yep. Scott, real-time messenger and reporting will be insane. Absolutely. And just remember on your mobile app too, best looking back office ever. The back office is so fire. Everything is so simple. Best hands down I've ever seen. Fantastic. Amazing. Gotta love the simplicity. First in class. My favorite back office of all time. By far, exciting. I mean, I could keep going. My phone is,
blowing up.
yeah,
Love
this is crazy.
Yes.
Average stinks, someone said, but this is beautiful. Yep. So thank you for all the kind words. It's one family here, and I think you can see the love that we put into it
Absolutely. And
because
like
you
Bob,
deserve the best. And then on a personal note, I want to be able to celebrate today that it is Tyler's. Guess what?
oh yeah, Tyler and Logan, this is our last day of school.
Yes.
So Tyler is now going into the 3rd grade. Logan is going into the 1st grade. They both got Student of the Month this month. So lots of excitement. We always share anything personal and of course to our Talk Fusion family.
So that means the kids will be around the house a little bit more. So please say a special prayer for us. As for your parents, you can definitely relate. but it is pedal down.
Thank you for all the kind words
Yep,
as well.
it
And
means
like
a
the
lot.
kids,
Thank
we're
you.
teaching them hard work, and they know the majority of your names in the core group, and they love hearing from you guys and seeing all the great positive words. So thank you guys for being a wonderful example, not just for our kids, but for your own and your grandkids, etc. You guys are truly upholding the Talk Fusion heart and everything that we believe in. So thank you for sharing in our mission and vision too.
So thank you, everybody. On behalf of myself, Christy, thank you. We love you. Take care, and
Love
we
you
will talk to you
guys.
soon. If you need anything else between now and then, please give us a shout. Thank you so much, everybody.
See you soon.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.